Let's review now the letters that are similar in writing in order to don't have confusion between both of them. We have the letter B, T, and T. The B contains a point below, T contains 2 points above, and T contains 3 points above. The same at the beginning, we write B like this, but the point maintained below, T 2 points are above, T 3 points above. But the letter N and D, which written differently in standard form, in the beginning are written similar to those letters. Just the N has a point above, meanwhile B has a point below, and the letter Y has 2 points below, meanwhile the letter T has 2 points above. We have another letters which are J, H, H. J contains a point here. H does not contain a point, and H contains a point above. The same at the beginning, they follow the rule of group 2 in writing, and the points maintains J below, H above, H without any point. The difference between D and D, that D contains a point above. The differences between Z and DRA, that Z contains a point above. The difference between C and Sh contains 3 points above. The written in the beginning follow the rules of second group, and Sh will contain 3 points above. C and Dha contains a point, Ta and Dha contains a point, A and Ra contains a point above. And at the end we have Fa and Qa. Fa follow in the beginning follow the rule of group number 2 and number 1, and Qa follow the rule number 2. When you write in the beginning, Fa contain only 1 point above and Qa contain 2 points above. Those are the letters that are similar in writing. You can download this appendix, and usually always in order to don't have confusions between those letters.